Hello there, my circle of friends. This is Ed coming back to you, saying hi. Look, I wanted to share something with you because I'm so over the moon about it. Look at that, my doTerra box of oils, essential oils, that is. I'm so thrilled and excited to share this with you guys and show you, because these are essential oils that are even organic and high quality, that can also be taken internally. And I'm just thrilled and super happy and super excited about it. So it just arrived. So allow me 1 second. I'm just gonna be opening it. Oh yes, look at these. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Oh yes. Oh wow. In tune. Look at that. In tune, this is what I'm going to be using for my child. I'm going to be putting it at the bottom of the soles of his feet. See, there it is. It's to help him focus during the school day. I'm so excited. This is for me because of my problems with the accent that I had. So this is for helping with pain. And this is my wild orange for diffusing, using it on myself, and even for drinking it with my water, especially in the mornings to wake up. And woohoo, look at these family essentials kits. And this is my Immortelle. This is what I get when there was a special for the month of May. If you reached 200 point values, you will get this as a reward, and I did. And the Immortelle is to help with keeping you looking young and feeling young, and some people even use it as deodorant. So okay, here we go, you guys. I was able to remove the plastic wrap. Just opening this box like this, the smell that comes through is amazing, you guys. Absolutely loving it. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so this is peppermint bidlets. So you can use this when you're not feeling well from your stomach, or maybe even as an aid for your breath. Deep blue. I'm using this for my pain, to manage my pain, to control my pain. This is wild orange. You can drink it with your water in the morning or at any time. You can smell it, you can diffuse it, and just enjoy it. This is what I'm going to be using with my child to go to school and help him focus even more and learn better. In tune. And these are my peppermint beadlets. Like, oh, I got 2 of those. Oh, that's awesome. That's great. And these Immortelle is to help with my skin, like my face, to help keep you looking young. I know some people that use it as deodorant. If you're pregnant, I have heard that there are women who have used it for preventing the stretch marks from the pregnancy. So, and here, this is just, the smell is wonderful. It is absolutely wonderful. Look at these. I love the box. Isn't it great? And I have my lavender oil. I can't wait to use this, guys. I am so over the moon about it. Lavender. You can diffuse it to help you calm and relax. or you can rub it on yourself, and even to help with some headaches, mixed in with some peppermint, lemon. You can use the lemon oil for drinking your water, or for creating your own cleaning products at home. Peppermint to help with headaches. Diffuse it to create a nice beautiful aroma in your home. And see, and it helps with headaches or even problems with your belly. This is easy air to help you with allergies. People who have allergies can use these, and to improve the quality of the air in your home as well. I mean, all of these oils can be used for that purpose. And here, these oils can be used in 3 ways: internally, topically, and you can diffuse it as an aroma therapy. And this is deep blue, which comes together with this one as well, with the deep blue rub for pain, for managing your pain. I had an accident close to 10 years ago, so I need to manage my pain. I need to take control of that. I'm fed up and tired of just living in pain day by day. And here's my tea tree oil. It can be used in a few drops in your shampoo for helping with your scalp, or even for fungal issues, and even more, of course. Now, frankincense. This is apparently the king of all oils. It helps to regenerate cells, and I mean the uses are far amazing, and amazing, just a lot of them. It helps regenerate cells, and it's also good for your skin, and just to lift you up when you are diffusing it or smelling it. And here's my oregano oil. This can also be used for cooking. Ingest. You can ingest it, a drop, when you're sick to your belly and you need relief, and or you can just rub it on around your belly. And the last one I have here is On Guard, which it's if you don't want to get sick, or if you're having issues with, you know, not like a cold or what have you, you can diffuse it. You can take it internally, and yeah, I just I'm so happy. I'm so thrilled. And here's my wild orange. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh, the smell is amazingly wonderful. Oh. Anyways, this is what I wanted to share with you, my circle of friends. Don't worry, I'm thinking about some things to some new ways to create more videos for my crocheting, especially for things for the summer and getting ready for the fall anyways. So anyways, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're interested in acquiring some of these oils and learning about the use of them, let me know. I can help you with that. I can set you up with the oils if you like to as well. You let me know what your interest is. And may God bless you. Now until next time, bye. And here, you guys, is the guide on how to use your essential oils. I'm in love with my package. Oh, I can't wait to grow my collection. So here are my oils. I'm not sure if I went through this with you. Hold on. Bye bye.